Okay, so I'm laying down, and good morning, my sugar babies. It's 5:40 in the morning, and normally I take my dogs out, but I took them out a little bit earlier. You guys can't see me because I'm laying down, and it's in the dark. But the reason why I came online is because I wanted you to hear my dogs snoring. Do you hear them? Listen. They are snoring. You hear them? I'm gonna get up and start cleaning my house. But they're quiet now. Maybe they heard me talking. Yeah, though. That's crazy. That's bear snoring like that. Oh my goodness. My hair looks crazy. My hair looks crazy. Anyway, like I asked y'all in the other video, what did y'all think I should do with my hair? I think I'm gonna wash it and hot oil treat it and then deep condition it for a minute first before I put braids in it. My phone is saying my battery's low. But yeah, I'm gonna wash it and deep condition it. But look at Sky. Look at Sky. And my face. You can't even see her, she's so black. They're not sleeping anymore. Okay, video over. Here come Bear. When I pet one, I can't pet one without the other. Here he come. So my titties out because they out the bra. Oh. They don't woke up. I done woke the sleeping dragons. I'm gonna flip the camera so y'all can see them. It's not in my background. These videos is gonna be a mess. Well, starting from the bottom, now we're here. Starting from the bottom, now the whole team is fucking here. Nah. Nah. No, but it's the truth. Ain't no shame in my game. Terrible. Terrible, terrible, terrible. Just when you think you got it bad, you realize somebody got it worse than you. Ain't that the truth? Anyway. Thanks for tuning in, my sugar babies. You can't even see me.